In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add flowers to your inventory from harvest. Now, reminder, you can manually add something or you can plan it based on the week of your harvest projections. Otherwise, you can go into your crop plan, and if there's something that's overdue to be harvested, it'll show up in the right-hand corner. But you can make sure that this harvest is tied to that exact crop, that exact succession, as you're trying to keep track for future years. So this straw flower, there's my next year's projection. So I don't want to click on that one. I want to make sure I click on the correct one. And then you click on harvest. And then go ahead, add those amount of plants that you have and get it for the correct date. And this is going to add it to inventory so that florists can go ahead and shop it right when it's available. And then it will be tracked into your completed crops. Again, that is how you add it into inventory.